Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Today I have AJ with me, and he is our DIY specialist here at Crawl Space Ninja. And we're going to talk a little bit about the Aprilaire water sensor that recently came out. And AJ, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I am the DIY specialist for our supply store. I can answer questions, build materials lists. So if you need assistance with your project or just had a simple question, I can help you.
Well, and one of the things that AJ and I have started doing recently was paid consultations. If you go to the Buy Me a Coffee, I'll put a link in the description of the video. You can do a consultation with AJ or myself. And when you do one with AJ, you get a free inspection sheet to go into your crawl space, take a look at everything. And then he has a cool Excel spreadsheet that you give him all the information and he spits out a materials list for you all. So it's very well put together. But AJ, today we're talking about the Aprilaire water sensor. We've recently done a video about the Wi-Fi compatibility that Aprilaire came out with, and encourage everyone to check out that video if you haven't had a chance. So if I bought an E80, for example, 2 years ago, this new Wi-Fi controller that they came out with is compatible with that E80 to make it now a Wi-Fi unit. And this water sensor is now compatible with that Wi-Fi as well. Is that right? Tell us a little bit about this water sensor.
Yeah, so this water sensor, you will need a Wi-Fi capable product from Aprilaire, rather if it's the S86 Wi-Fi thermostat or if it's a Wi-Fi dehumidifier. This water sensor, really, it's a wireless leak detector. If you have a sump pump that's overflowing, this sensor can detect it, or if your dehumidifier stops working properly and it starts leaking, this will be able to detect it.
That's great. I've even seen it to where if you want to put it under your sink, if you want to
Oh
put it
yeah.
next to your washing machine, the washing machine is like the number one flood in homes, and these can go on forever and you not know it. I had a washing machine that was leaking behind the washing machine, and it wasn't even, coming out under the washing machine, so I didn't even know it was leaking. So this is a great sensor for that kind of thing.
Yeah, I actually had a similar situation with my dad. At his house, he doesn't have a crawl space or a basement. So there's not really a dehumidifier he's looking to place this under. He has a washing machine, and that washing machine started leaking, and we never knew that it was leaking. If we had this sensor and placed it behind there, we would have been able to catch that way sooner.
Wow, people don't realize how destructive water is. It can cause the hardwood floor to cup and buckle and all that. So catching these water leaks early is very important. So this Aprilaire sensor is available on the supply.crawlspaceninja.com store. If you look under the dehumidifiers category, it'll be there. And I think it's got a 3.5 year battery life. It's got some cool stuff. It's Android or iPhone compatible on the Aprilaire Healthy app. So AJ, I appreciate you sharing this sensor with us. I do wish they came up with a different name. I'm not too crazy about the name. I got to be honest. What's a Zazwa? Uh, is that how you say it? I'm not. What is
Hey,
that?
I've been referring it to as the Aprilaire water sensor, the
All right.
ZAZW, I guess. I don't know.
I'm not sure what Zazwa means, but anyway, maybe it's maybe it's a Wisconsin thing because isn't that where they're located? Maybe it's something to do with that. So anyway, are they in Wisconsin? Yeah, this is
Yeah.
Wisconsin. Yeah, that's where it's at. I always call them something else. I always say Minnesota for some reason, but it's in Wisconsin. So hello, Aprilaire folks. So Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja here with AJ from Crawl Space Ninja, the DIY store, supply.crawlspaceninja.com. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. And tell him, AJ, will we see him later?
We will see you guys later.